Hello guys, and welcome back to today's video. My name is Zig, the programming guy. In today's video guys, I want to show you how to edit Instagram Reels draft. So guys, it's very simple. First step to take, head to your profile, select the Reels option, and then choose the drafts. Now as you can see right here, I have draft. I'm going to select that, and here I have only one video. Now if I want to edit this video, all I have to do right now is to tap on it. Once I tap on it, then here I can start adding some things. But if you look at the top right corner, there's an edit button. Click on that one. Now you can add sound, text, sticker to this if you like, and also you can even add effects to this if you like. Now once you're done with that, go back, but let me show you how you can change the cover. Now if you want to change the cover, now you find the option to edit cover, click on that, then you can add from your gallery by clicking on the option at the bottom of your screen. Choose a new cover, click on done at the top right corner. Now once you do that, then you can now share this on Instagram by clicking on the share button. So guys, this is how you can do it. This guys was helpful to you. If it was, give this video a like and equally subscribe to get more tips like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.